Hold on, y'all. I'm having some technical difficulties. There we go. Yeah. Yeah. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. All right, let me see what's going on. Rodney, what's good? What's good, my brother? Sean. Oh, CP. Okay, we'll talk about that first today. We'll talk about that first. Benji, Naquan, I got you too. I'm typing up something special for you, my brother. You know I got to treat my mentees good. Let's go. Bro, what? All right, let's go. Whatever, man. Facebook tripping. Is Instagram lit? Okay, yeah, Instagram lit. Instagram lit. Okay. All right, let's go. Extra 30 minutes today. Extra 30 minutes. That's facts. Extra 30 minutes. That's facts. Do you recommend Credit Strong? Yeah. Hit the link in the bio. Scroll down. It says starter accounts. I got all the easy approvals and all that stuff in there for you, bro. Can't wait for my next update. I'm anxious. Me too. All right, let's get it, man. All right, man. I'm Lewis. I'm the owner of King Credit Services. You need me to check IG for you? No, IG's good. It's just Meta just updated their stuff. Okay, Meta just updated their terms and conditions and shit. So yeah, they tripping, but it is what it is. Let's go. But all right, y'all, for the people that's already on here, man, I'm Lewis. I'm the owner of King Credit Services, the #1 rated credit management company in San Diego, top rated in California. We are nationwide, so if you need a free consultation, go ahead and DM me the word King, and we'll get you right. I showed y'all the schedule earlier, okay? I told y'all when I turn the ads back on, all right, it's gonna get crazy. So if you need a free console, let's go. Let's get it. What you waiting on? All right, man. Yeah, I go twice. I go live twice a day, 10 a.m. and 4 p.m. Pacific time. I come on here just to answer people's credit questions, personal credit, business credit. It's all good. There's no such thing as stupid credit questions, you guys. So drop it in the chat. If I don't answer it, it's because it got filtered out. All right. Everybody gets their questions answered on my live. No negativity. You will be blocked. Okay. He said those ads go crazy. Will dog fighting raise my credit score? No, dog fighting, you can get some little, you can earn some money, might land in jail, but hey, let's go. All right, man. Let me jump into here. So he says CPN, Sean, I got you. So CPN is a credit privacy number. All right. It's marketed now, it's marketed to start over. Okay. That's cap. All right. You have the right to hide your social. You do have the right to do that. But once you use any number that's not yours, okay, that's fraud. All right. So these people are not going to tell you this. They're just trying to earn a quick buck. Okay, they're trying to earn a quick buck. The U.S. government is not okay with you using some random ass number to go get cars and shit. And you know what? They don't. You can get approved for an apartment, but go try to get a mortgage with a CPN. Go into the bank and say, hey, I'm using a CPN and see what happened to your ass. Okay? I'm tired of this nonsense. It's getting ignorant. Okay? So stay away from them CPNs, man. Stay away from them damn CPNs. It's ridiculous. All right, let's go. Let me see what they're talking about. A lot of movement this round. Let's go. If you file bankruptcy, can the creditor legally sell your debt? Oh, so it depends on what's in the terms and conditions, Jessica. So usually it says if you default, filing bankruptcy kind of counts as defaulting. So technically, yeah, I'm pretty sure, but you want to check the terms and conditions. That's why it's important to read them contracts. All right, Shaniqua, what's good? What's good? I got denied milestone, first Premier, Destiny, and Indigo. First access today. What do I do? Benji, stop playing, bro. Stop playing on my chat, Benji. What should I do after my debt consolidation program is done? Savio, that's a great question. Let me pin this. Let me pin this question. After your debt consolidation program, you're still going to have to come over to me. Okay, we're still going to have to find inaccuracies and dispute those negative accounts off your credit report, right? That's what they don't tell you. Okay, I hate debt consolidation, man. It's just not a good business, man. It's oh man, that shit pissed me off. I don't like the way they do business. How can you fix bad credit? Lynette, so the first step is getting your credit report. Second step is finding inaccuracies. Next step is updating your personal info. We call to do that. Next step, while we're on the phone updating our personal info, we're disputing inquiries not attached to open accounts. All right. Then we're opting out of secondary bureaus, and then we're ready to dispute. Okay, so if you want the free step-by-step, everything I just explained and some, hit the link in the bio, scroll down, it says King Credit Freebies. Go ahead in there. Okay, go download all that stuff in there. Let's work. I don't have a mortgage. Will a home equity loan raise my score? T, it won't raise your score. Over time, it'll help you out over time. But when you first get that account, just like any other account, it's going to lower your average credit age. But a mortgage looks really good on a credit report. Okay, it shows that you're responsible, you can handle debt. Okay, hit my comment, Big Steve, about me being denied. I'm weak. What is your fees for credit repairs? Bear, it depends on your report. We got 3 different plans. Everybody qualifies for the standard or the gold, and then you can upgrade to the platinum. That's optional. All of our plans get great results. You can check out the reviews on Google. Let's get it. All right, Bear. So if you need a free consultation, DM me the word King. And these are just client results, you guys. This stuff in the background, just client results. I have a 731 score. What should I do? Newsy, how many open accounts do you have? How to delete a discharge. Same way you delete anything else. You want to find an inaccuracy and dispute it. I just broke that down for you. If you need the step-by-step with the letters and everything too, hit the link in the bio, get that King Credit Bundle. I made it super cheap so everybody can grab it. Can you clear up evictions? Yeah, we dispute evictions, but here's the thing. Anything with the lease, even if we get it off your credit report, we might have to dispute it on your LexisNexis. We might have to dispute it on your credit code report. Okay, and even if we get it removed from there, you still might be obligated to do a settlement or something with that company, the landlord or property manager. All right, but yeah, we're there for you though. So yes, if you want to schedule a free consultation, just DM me the word King. He said I'm hungry. Oh shit, Big Steve, bro, you always hungry, bro. My score is 790 on Credit Karma. Is that good? I mean, that's solid, but Credit Karma, just remember, Credit Karma shows your Vantage score. So these scores aren't wrong or inaccurate. It's just a different credit score. That's it. Okay, so if you're using Credit Karma, use it for the activity in the accounts. All right, the score is going to be different. It's a Vantage score. Lenders look at that FICO score. So if you want your FICO scores, hit the link in the bio, scroll down, it says get your FICO score for $1. Carrie, what's up? Josephine, what's up? I see y'all in here. What's happening? Please, need a lot of help with my credit score. Josephine, DM me the word King. Let's work. I have a school loan over 30, have never paid. How do I resolve or any recommendation? Yeah, Bear, you need to schedule a consultation, my brother, because that answer is going to be, it's longer than what I can explain to you on live, bro. So go ahead and shoot me a DM. Why is Equifax higher than TransUnion? Your scores are all a little bit different because not all of your accounts report to all 3 bureaus, and the statement dates are different on each account. You know what I'm saying? So that's why your credit's always fluid. It's always fluctuating. Israel, hard inquiries. Yeah, we can dispute hard inquiries not attached to open accounts. Reese, too cute. I have student loan, but the school closed down before I was done because it was fraud. Do I dispute? Yeah, Reese. So what they've been doing, what's the site? Damn it. There's a certain process that you can use for the schools that were shut down. Damn it. I was just reading about that. I forgot it. I forgot. It'll come back to me though. It'll come back to me. But you can dispute those closed student loans just like you would any other account. Okay, what about debt consolidation with student loans? That's a little bit different. That's a little bit different because they're consolidating the loan into just one. The student loan is different with debt consolidation. The debt consolidation they were talking about is when the company makes you default on your open accounts, and then they go in and negotiate on your behalf. It's stupid. Okay, it's dumb. My current score is 700. I have 1 credit card and no loans, no anything. How can I increase my score? Hoes love Musk. You need to hit the link in the bio, scroll down, it says starter accounts. I got the step-by-step in there, it's all free. You can only pay service and cookies. I'm weak. 737 for open accounts. That's pretty good. That's pretty good. You can add some more too. If you guys have less than 5 primary accounts, those are just accounts that you apply for yourself, right? So when they say trade lines, there's 2 types, primary and authorized users, but they usually just mean authorized users. All right. But Marsa, hit the link in the bio, scroll down, it says starter accounts. Let's go. What happens to the balances to a good standing account that was disputed and closed? What do you mean to happen to the balances? They're gone. They're not reporting anymore. Scorch was good. I got served 2 weeks late. I guess I lost in court. Damn. So yeah, they're gonna garnish your wages, man. But the thing about court is you can contact them. You can get waivers. You can get it deducted, right? So call the court. They'll work with you. Nice, Serene, Samad. DM me the word king. Got to DM me the word king. Credit card approval letter says Equifax 734, but my credit portal shows 590 for Equifax. Why different? Nomad gal. I'm not sure. So they might have pulled from Equifax. So your Equifax might be 734, that FICO 8. That's good. But your credit client portal, I'm not sure. I'm not sure what's going on with that. Yeah, I'm not sure. Yeah, that's a question to ask customer service though. Nomad, if you're already a client, we got to see your actual report. Should I buy a house with a 733 credit score? I mean, if you're already renting, go ahead and do it, bro. I have a 786. How do I raise it? How many open accounts do you have, Burnell? PPA. I got 9 late payments, 1 card from 2 years ago. Other than that, I'm good. Should I cancel it? From 2 years ago. I mean, if you're going to cancel, you should have did it a long time ago. Now you can dispute those late payments, PPA. So hit the link in the bio, get that King Credit Bundle, and get to work. It got the late payment sauce in there. If you want my company to take care of it, DM me the word King. All right, let me check Instagram real quick. Clear on this side. Okay, cool. Yeah, see, but it's still not in the Facebook group though. That's weird. Oh well, whatever. What's good, King? What's up? Triplets on the way. Damn it. Donaldo, what's up? How can you check my credit? Israel, DM me the word King. DM me the word King. Can you remove an entire account from credit report with an inaccuracy, or they just have to fix it? Yeah, Ilani, that's what we do. We find inaccuracies and we dispute. So yeah, that's what we do. How do we dispute multiple mortgage pools from our lender up until we close? It's like 7, 8 pools. So, okay, for mortgage pools, you got to be careful, all right? So you don't want to dispute the inquiry that's closest to when you actually got approved, but those other ones, you can go ahead and dispute those though. It's easy, Rachel. So hit the link in the bio, scroll down, it says King Credit Freebies. You click that, and then the guides are inside of there. It has a step-by-step guide for inquiries. If you pay credit card balance off in full, will it lower your credit score? Mimi, okay, so if you had like 100% utilization and you pay it down to 0, your score is going to increase, right? So I'd rather have you 0 balance than 100% utilization, of course, but preferably you want to have it between 1 and 5%. Okay, not 0. So just leave a little something on there. How can I raise my husband's score? Brenda, that's a super generic question. I need to know what's going on your husband's credit report. That's like pulling up on me with a car and saying, how do I fix it? my car ain't working. How do I fix it? I have no idea. I got to hook it up to the machine, do a diagnosis. That's what the credit, the consultation is for. Okay, I got 6 credit cards from 6 different banks. Could it hurt my score? I mean, you're going to get some inquiries. It is what it is. Mortgage pools within 45 days only count as 1. They pull at the start and beginning to close twice. Yeah, so that's what I thought. She said she had 8 inquiries. So is that from the whole year, you think, Big Steve? That's from the whole year? You know what I'm saying? Like that kind of confused me. Okay, I'm gonna send 8. No way. Yeah, that was weird. Daisy, my credit score. Yeah, me neither. I didn't heard of that either. Daisy said, where'd it go? Here we go. My credit score 511. I have 2 credit cards that just closed this month. Okay, that happens. Due to inactivity, or if the accounts were maxed out, you weren't making your payments, they don't just close your cards for nothing. All right. Why do student loans hurt your credit score? Mimi, they don't. Okay. They only hurt your score once they start reporting, right? Your average credit age drops a little bit. And then if you get a late payment or something, yeah, it's going to hurt your score. But student loans, okay, those are for a lot of people, those are your oldest accounts, right? So it has a lot of age on them. Can I still pay them off? Yeah. Wait, what do you, Daisy? You got to shoot me a DM because you said the account's closed, but now you're talking about pay them off, right? So what did they close due to you having a large balance and late payments and stuff? Like, I need more details. You see my comment? No, I didn't. Because yeah, I'm a client of 4 months now. Okay, client of 4 months now. Sunflower Honeybee, do you have any suggestions on a home loan that was not paid off by title company? What? Sunflower, what you talking about? What do you mean paid off by the title company? That if that's your mortgage, what the title company got to do with that? Well, what's going on? Audi got told today. Damn it. I have a 567 credit score, only 1 account, just started about 1 month ago, need help. Yeah, Scotty, you're in the right path, bro. So just hit the link in the bio, scroll down, and says starter accounts. Okay, it's just a Google Doc. I got the step-by-steps and all that in there too. What's the difference between TransUnion and Equifax? They're just 2 different companies that report your information. Canada, bro, first is coming. I'm going to be first. Let's go. You see that video I posted? Let's go. I don't have a credit history. Which credit card would you recommend? If you don't have any open accounts, hit the link in my bio, scroll down, it says starter accounts. That's what you want to do. I got the step-by-step play in there. Why are these credit companies showing so many different scores? Marion, because you have Vantage scores, right? Which is what Credit Karma, Identity IQ, Smart Credit, CreditWise, Credit Sesame, they all use Vantage scores. If you want your FICO scores, the one that lenders look at, hit the link in the bio, scroll down, and it says get your FICO score for $1. I dropped my hot dog on the couch, mustard relish. Bro, Costco need to sponsor your ass. Ashley, I need help ASAP. Let's work. You got to shoot me a message, okay? DM me the word king. When can I close a credit card if I just finished paying it? You're not, Karina, you don't close your credit cards. Don't do that. My credit 587. Okay. 2 years ago, I had a 512. I got secured card, made payments on time, and I'm 750. Breen, that's cool. Wait, Breen Nicole, that's pretty good. So now you need to start adding to that credit profile now. One secured card is cool, right? But you need to start building on top of it. My TransUnion 541, my Equifax 553. Can you explain? Yeah, I've already explained that a couple times. You guys, your credit scores are different because not all your accounts report to all 3 credit bureaus, and each account has their own statement date. So those are updating at different times too. So that's why it's important to have a good credit profile, right? If you're in the 5s, something's going on with your report. Either you got some negatives on there, your utilization's too high, you don't have enough open accounts, something going on. Do you actually help with credit? Brenda, yes. I'm not on here just to do it. My credit score 580. Annette, okay? If you need a free consultation, DM me the word king. Bro, almost no company accepts pays to delete. Minor, you got to stay on them, bro. Yes, they do. The collection agencies, yes, they do, bro. Charge-offs, can they come off reports? Yes. Yes, you can dispute charge-offs. Default trades, my 1-year-old business made $250K in 2023. What's the best way to build business credit? Leveraging your personal credit, that's the best way. If you made $250K and you want to build business credit quick, hit the link in my bio, scroll down, it says business trade lines. That's what you want to do. All right. Then the third way is you can add net 30s and all that stuff. That's easy. I can send you a list. I'm gonna post that list on my link tree so y'all can have it. But yeah, it's considered illegal for the creditor to delete your trade line because you paid it. Minor, major, bro, please stop it. Please stop it. You don't do pay for deletes for the original creditor. That's not what you do it for. You do it for the collection agency. Okay, come on, man. What app or website is in the background? Credit Karma. Bruh, so you don't need to listen to my call with Mitchell. Listen. I'm not sure what you're talking about, bro. Yeah, we listen to the calls on Fridays. So I'm going to listen to it. I'm going to see what you're talking about, bro, because you that's how my team get better. Okay, we got to review the calls, and you said it was a bad consultation, so now we got to review it. I got a secure card, went from 512 to 720. I'm a banker and do loans, and he is correct on what he's saying. Maria, let's work. Maria, DM me, shoot me a DM. Okay, let's work. I need some more lenders in my network. The couple that I had, they keep retiring and shit. Okay, let's go. 715 at 18, is that good? Yeah, that's solid. Your thoughts on Synchrony Bank savings account? It's a savings account. It's like 2 repos over 9 years old. Those should have fell off by now. TransUnion did me dirty. They dropped my score after removing collections. Chris, the credit guy, that's cool. It's okay to take 2 steps back to go 10 steps forward, because now that collection's removed, like, okay. Let's say you had a 700 and you had a collection. You're going to get auto denied most likely. Now, let's say they remove that collection and now you got a 660. All right, you're more likely to get approved now with that 660 with that collection removed than the 770 with the collection on there, because that collection is messing up your actual credit profile. Okay, you get approved or denied because of the profile, like the report, not the scores. All right. How to remove 2 repos 9 years old. Only one life. Hit the link in the bio. Get that King Credit bundle. They got all your repo stuff in there. Big Steve pins the most important ones. Oh, shit. All right, let's go. By Chan86, if I change my first and last name, would that generate a new blank credit profile? No, it goes off your social. Also, how many secured cards should you have? You can have 1 or 2. You don't need more than that, because you're going to graduate from those. Co-sign for me, bro. I'll leave a review. I have a question. My credit's 650, 5 credit cards with pretty much 0 in credit being used. How can I increase it? Pip House. So you have enough revolving accounts, so now you need to add some installment accounts. All right, so Pip House, hit the link in the bio, scroll down. It says starter accounts. Grab that Kobo and grab that rent reporters. Thank me later. I'm 815 and 820. Nice. What's a good credit score to have before applying for my first home? Depends on which program you want to use. Fannie Mae, you need a 620. No recent collections or anything like that. No recent late payments. You need 5% down. FHA, 580 and up. You can do 3.5% down. If it's less than a 580, it's 10% down. Come on now. And each county and state has their own like down payment assistance and shit. So it just depends. Will a new car payment raise credit also with the secured card? Timmy, so adding a car and a secured card is building your credit profile. Okay, that's what you want to do. You want to build that profile up. So it's going to hurt your score in a short time, but over the next couple months, next couple years, okay, it's going to help you out. All right, bro. So you don't need to. How do I raise my credit score with closed accounts? Also, how do I remove hard increase? Daisy, hit the link in the bio. Get that King Credit bundle. It has all that stuff that you asked for. And you need to add some positive accounts too. I just came across a guy that had 7 repos. I'm sending them to you. My stress level is up enough. I'm weak. Hey, 7 repos. Nah, bro. I gotta zoom him. I'm gonna zoom his ass because he needs some tough love. Okay, let's go. King Maine, how long do you have to wait for credit increase for credit cards? So for me, I'll tell people to request a credit limit increase after the first 3 billing cycles, and then every 6 months after that. Every 6 months after that. My score has been in the 700 range for the past months. Is there a way to increase it faster? Paris, I have no idea what's reporting on your credit, why it's a 700, how many open accounts you have, so yeah, that's the information I need. MX Green. Yeah, MX Green is solid. Wait, MX Green. Wait, is that the one Donaldo got? Donaldo, do you got the green? Brenda, it won't allow me to sign up for a consultation. Brenda, I'm not sure. It's an automated link. It's an automated link. What's a good credit score to have? Okay. Just hit 800 club. Hey, Trevor, what's good? Let's go. All right, let me scroll up. Where are you out of? I'm out here in San Diego, but we're nationwide though as a company. Do you have passive income? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. 740 good. That's solid. Thought on improving my score. Karina, if you don't have any negatives, improving your score is not too difficult. Paying your balances down. Might have to add some positive accounts. Might have to add an authorized user or 2. Right? It's not that hard. All right, let me check Instagram and Facebook real quick. Tiffany, is disputing child support the same across? And my Uber just recommended a few minutes ago. He gave me your name. And I'm like, oh, that's King Credit. Already following on Instagram. Okay, yeah, Tiffany. So, yeah, child support's kind of similar to bankruptcies, but yeah, you don't have to get like verification from the court and all that too when you're disputing child support. So you can usually find an inaccuracy on that account and dispute it. It's usually the time frame of the payments, right? So like the payment history. So let's say you missed a payment October 2023, right? It'll say you missed the payment in December, October 23 instead of October. So that's that, like little stuff like that for child support. That's what we can use. Okay, that's a good question. Let me check Instagram real quick. Okay. All right, we back. Let's go. IG. How do you raise your credit with 4 inquiries? Bro, the inquiries have nothing to do with that. Okay? You need to be focusing on your credit profile, bro. What's the difference between TransUnion and Equifax? Jarissa, they're just two different companies that report your information. That's not that good. These are client results, bro. I removed the collection and my score went down. Yeah, sometimes, these collections and charge-offs, sometimes they have like age on them. It's weird, but it's better to get them removed and then, grow from it, build on top of it, than just let them linger on your report. How to build at 19. Gavin, hit the link in the bio, scroll down, and says starter accounts. All right, I got the play-by-play for you in there. Do you have letters for collections? Yeah, Davisha, hit the link in the bio, get that King Credit bundle. 750 and 21, cool. Yeah. How to remove inquiries. Bank, you're gonna get your credit report. We're highlighting inquiries, not attached to open accounts. That means if you applied for it and you got the account, don't dispute that inquiry. It's okay to have a couple of inquiries. Okay. What looks hella weird if you got 10 new accounts with no inquiries. That looks a little strange. All right. How you got a Chase credit card for $25K, but ain't no inquiries on there? What's going on? Something ain't right. All right. So yeah, get that credit report. We're highlighting inquiries not attached to open accounts. And then we're calling the bureaus to get that stuff removed. So bank, I give you the script and all the numbers all for free, bro. Just hit the link in the bio, scroll down. It says King Credit King Credit Freebies. Click that and everything's in there. Which is more important? They're both important. What can I do about closed accounts? What type of closed accounts are they? i.e. Dog Mom. Ricky Flores, 2 credit cards sent to collections. Can I still do a balance transfer on another credit card? No, Ricky, that's a lost cause, bro. It's time to dispute those collections now. If you want to do it yourself, hit the link in the bio, get that King Credit Bundle. If you want my company to take care of it, DM me the word King. Yeah, Canada, we here. Let's go. 720 on both. Nice. I have a 785 and want to do 20% down, 500K. What interest rate should I be looking at? Shit. 785? Bro, you're going to get best as you're going to get best there is. Let's go. Are charge-offs bad if I'm barely making it? Yes, charge-offs are bad. Mid credit score. Gene Morton, this person started in the 500s, and that's where they are now. Well, that's where they was before they graduated. So, Gene, I'm not going to block you, okay? I'm going to let you chill. But come on, man. You know I don't like no negativity in my chat. Jeffrey, do you do trade lines? Yeah, we have a couple. So, Jeffrey, you can DM me. Jeffrey, DM me the word trade lines. Ricky, you spamming my chat. It's been hurting for years, and I was paying for some to be removed. Yeah, Janice, so when it comes to paying for deletion, that only works with collection agencies. So if it's with let's just say it's with Capital One, right? You're not going to do a pay for delete with Capital One because why would they, right? But you can do a settlement, full or partial, and then you can go back and dispute that account later on. Okay, so either way, you're going to have to dispute it. How long until Experian clears up the dispute? So you got to give them at least 30 days. You got to give them at least 30 days. How can I remove late payments? There's multiple ways to remove late payments. All right. So get that, hit the link in the bio, get that King Credit Bundle. Because if I explain it to you, I've done this 1,000 times. When I explain it, all the methods, you're going to DM me and say, hey, can you type that out for me? I'm not doing that. All right. So that's why I typed everything out for you beforehand. So hit the link in the bio, get that King Credit Bundle. I said, I'm not doing that. Let's go. I have school loan for 9 years. Score is poor. All right, Janice. So Janice, DM me the word King. Let's schedule a free consultation and we'll go from there. All right. Or you can just DM me and explain your situation. Just open 3 new trade lines, just waiting for it to hit my credit account. Let's go, Frank. I see you. Hello, brother. I'm from Toronto. Let's go. Let's go. I just did a post about Canada. Yeah, go drop a comment in there, bro. My score hasn't changed in 4 months. NPC, that's due to, your utilization is stagnant. You might not have enough open accounts. Your utilization might be too high. There's all kind of shit that can be wrong. Okay. What app is that? You shows your credit score. This is Credit Karma. This is a free app. But if you want your FICO scores, bro, hit the link in the bio, scroll down. It says, get your FICO score for $1. Yes, I saw that yesterday. Or was that this morning? Damn, I really don't remember. I don't know if that was yesterday or this morning. Let's go. Shit. Fanny, thanks for that. Let's go. My credit 756. 1 credit card with 2 years of history and advice. OT, you need to add some more accounts now, bro. You need to add some more accounts. So OT, hit the link in the bio, scroll down, it says starter accounts. I'll run that up. Just message you. Cool. 593 from Toronto. Okay. 593. Okay. That's all good. We can still work with that. I'm closing on my condo next month. Misha, let's go. Let me screenshot that. Got the condo. Just me. I got 25K in credit card debt. Should I pull equity from 2 duplexes? Hold on. Do you use Experian? Credit Karma is usually pretty off my experiences. Yeah, so this is just a screenshot. Sometimes clients, they screenshot stuff and send them in. But yeah, if you want your actual FICO scores, use Experian. My FICO, or use my score IQ also. That's what my clients use, my score IQ. My clients like my score IQ because it puts, you know how Identity IQ looks, how it's all like put together, nice and neat. You can see everything. That's what my score IQ looks like, but it shows your FICO 8 score. Okay, so hit the link in the bio, scroll down. It says get your FICO for $1. Let's go. Let me see what's up. Let me see. Okay, wait. 25K. I have around 550 in equity. Yeah, just me. You got options, bro. You got options. So if your credit cards are maxed out, yeah, you can get a little equity out, pay them bad boys down. Okay, that's going to shoot your that's going to help your credit score out a lot. See, I didn't lost my spot. Damn. I done lost my damn spot. Here we go. Just first I want to see, why do we have, hold on. Why do we have to sign up for the 2 credit monitoring services? It's Pepper, it's not 2, it's just 1. It's my score IQ. That's it. And we need your credit report so we can tell you what plan you qualify for, so we can see the accounts that you have on your report. Okay? That's why we need that. How do you build your score up quick? Toxic Healer, hit the link in the bio, scroll down, it says starter accounts. Go run it up. Misha, this contingency stage is nerve-wracking. That high score helped me out a lot. I'm so ready to move. Let's go. How to close collections from mobile company that I don't even owe. If they're actually not yours, go to ftc.gov and you can file identity theft, bro. If it's actually not yours, don't just do it just to do it, because if those accounts are actually yours, it's going to backfire. Okay, Canada active, pretty much, yeah, pretty much. I'm going to have to rejoin that mentorship to stay sharp. Hey, my new shit I got going. Hey, this new shit I got. Hold on, what? How much? Let me see. What time is it? All right, it's 5:10. I'm gonna show you, Naquan. I'll show you a sneak peek at 5:30. So in 20 minutes, I'll show you, if you're still on here, I'll show you a sneak peek of my new shit. What app is that? Credit Karma. Any advice on what to do if my account is approaching charge off with Capital One? I mean, my advice would have been to just at least make the minimum payment so you're not racking up late payments and shit. But now you're already in the hole now. So if it's already a month away from charging off, let it charge off and you can go back and dispute later. But yeah, my advice would have been to not let it charge off. Okay, how long does it take for a trade line to hit your account? About 45. Sometimes 30 days, sometimes 30 to 60 days. So 1 or 2 months. I had two Capital One charge-offs. One got removed and the other one remained. Okay, so however you dispute it, continue. All right, move on to the next step. How to remove closed accounts. Michi, so got to get your credit report. We're finding inaccuracies on those closed accounts. So account numbers, balances, dates, right? Anything that's off. If it says open, but it's a closed account, that's an inaccuracy. We can use that as leverage to get it removed from the credit report. So that's what we're doing, right? So we're on our credit report, finding inaccuracies, updating our personal info, opting out of secondary bureaus, disputing inquiries not attached to open accounts, and then we're ready to dispute. And we don't dispute online, okay? We don't dispute online. So if you need the step-by-step, you want to do it on your own, hit the link in the bio, get that King Credit Bundle. Go run it up. If not, DM me the word King. Can you fix from Toronto? Yeah. Yeah, we got you. You got you. May 1st. May 1st. Credit goes down because of short credit length. If I apply for another credit, will it affect me? Yeah, Tanya, it will. That's for sure going to affect you. But it's okay. It's okay to add a couple accounts, right? You just don't want to add a whole bunch of them, you know, random ass accounts, be getting denied, hella inquiries. That's what you don't want to do. So if you apply for something and you get denied, they're going to give you a denial letter, right? And that kind of tells you exactly what you need to do. How fast do trade lines take to improve your score? I already said that they should report in a month or two, so 30 to 60 days. If I have collection account that's about to fall off, what happens if I pay it? Will it update? Yeah, you need an update. How to request a balance update for my credit cards, Capital One to the credit bureaus. Alex, you can call them up and ask them, say, hey, what's going on? Why is my Balance updated. But Alex, yeah, Capital One reports pretty good, bro. So they usually report on their own. So if you just paid it off, don't call them and say report update my account. That's not how it works. My man impatient. Why experience score didn't go up this month, bro? What kind of question is that? Yeah, come on, man, bro. How to schedule? We live in Canada May 1st. So I just did a post, the Canada post. So drop a comment in there so I can go back to you and reach out when we live. Should I pay collections that aren't willing to delete? So no, you want to dispute them. So when you dispute the collection, it depends on how they reply, right? So if they validate that debt properly, then you can pivot to a pay for delete. But a lot of times they don't. So I'm not sure how you're disputing, right? I'm probably not disputing properly, right? So hit the link in the bio, get that King Credit bundle, and use that shit in there. What should I do with a 798 credit score? Not the score doesn't matter, you guys. It's about your credit profile. So how many open accounts you have, what's your average credit age, that type of stuff. I have 11K debt, but my credit limit is 60K. Could I improve for 40K car? My score is 720. I mean, if you can pay that credit card down a little bit, but it's not gonna affect you that much. Just sign up for Kovo and Credit Strong with your affiliate links, bro. Thanks for the help. Let's go. I like that. I do debt consolidation. Oh shit. Hold up. Oh shit. Hold on. I do debt consolidation all the time using home equity, much less interest. Yeah. So okay, Maria, thank you for this. So doing debt consolidation by taking out equity and paying down the cards, that's completely different than the debt consolidation programs that's out right now. All right, it's completely different. Okay, so that's the proper way to do it. Why didn't my score IQ has bad reviews? I mean, everybody got something. I mean, it's worked pretty good for us, man. Should you settle for a lower balance with an apartment collection? They said it was too soon. So Shonda, honestly, you can dispute it and stuff, but here's why apartment collections, broken leases, why these collections are so tough. Usually the property manager or the landlord, if you don't pay, they send all the proper documentation to that collection agency. So you'll notice like the eviction collections, broken leases, that type of stuff. Those collection agencies usually say like law firm or something like that. So they have all the documentation. So those are a little bit more tough. So you might have to do a pay for delete, you know what I'm saying? And then go that route. Okay, that's why everybody's not the same. Can you remove late car payments if the account is current? Yes, Alex, you can. You can dispute late payments. I just inboxed you about trade lines. Cool. What about repos? Angelina, yeah, you can dispute repos too. Email from experience says I failed 10 disputes. I did not. Steve, bro, somebody did. Why would experience just say that? You guys, these companies just don't say shit just to do it. Okay. Your score is actually higher than what Credit Karma says. For a lot of people, Amy, it is. Man, 787, 7 years of credit age. Keep y'all's credit utilization below 20% across the board. Mark, 20% kind of high. I tell them single digits. How can I remove Alex? Late payments, hit the link in the bio, get that King Credit bundle. That's all the late payment sauce. How to pay less than you owe to a collection agency. You send them a pay for delete letter. All right, we send them a pay for delete letter. Okay. So wait, I got to put the net 30s in my link tree. And I'm gonna put the pay for delete letter. I'll put that in there too, in my link tree. I'll put it in after I get off this live, so you can click it and just download it. Should I pay off my charge off credit card? Let them sell it to another company. No, Alex, it's already charged off. If it's really charged off, there's nothing to pay. Can you dispute again if the collection came back valid? Yes, you can, Nia. I'm not sure how you're disputing, but You need to be disputing collections. You dispute with the bureau, and you're disputing with the collection agency. Two different letters, two different types of disputes. Mentor, do you use the whole 45 days to pull client's report, or 30? I use 35 days. Yeah, I use 35 days. Do you teach credit repair classes? Not really. I'm thinking about it, but these scammers, man, they didn't ruin the whole class and course. They didn't ruin it. You know what I'm saying? So now the real people that know the information, I don't even want to do a course now, right? But if I do it, I'm gonna do it the right way though. It's gonna be interactive. It's gonna be nice put together and everything. But yeah, I'll figure it out. But Long T, yeah, you were in the group, so I'll post it in the group first. Why didn't my score go up this month? Bro, ask me later 10. You keep saying that. Okay? It probably didn't go up because your utilization stayed the same. Simple answer. Experian will teach you how to personally fix your credit. Experian Pro. Mark, Experian is going to tell you the ways. Hold on, Mark, this don't even make sense, bro. Okay? They're going to tell you some generic tactics, right? But why the hell would Experian? Okay. Let me break this down. Experian gets paid to report information, okay? Positive and negative, they get paid. So why would they tell you the secrets to get shit removed from their credit report? Why would they do that? That's self-sabotage. That's crazy. You know what I'm saying? So they'll tell you some basic stuff. Call us, dispute online, and blah, blah, blah. They want you to dispute online so you can't sue them later on. Okay, all this shit's a trap, man. It's a trap card. Let's go. Hold on, did I see a hater? Hold on. I seen a hater. Wait a minute. Where'd it go? Hold on, I seen a hater. Big Steve, did you already block him? Damn it. I want to expose him. Are backpacks with Molly webbing good? Oh my goodness. How long does it take to remove late payments? Abundantly living. It can take a while. Couple months. It used to be quick, but now it take a while. Good information. Thanks for sharing. I got you. Just paid my debt off a few months ago. When can I or should I ask for credit limit increases? If you just paid it off, couple months, give it a couple months. If you've never asked for one, next billing cycle, go ahead and try it. If I got removed from my report, but came back a week later, yeah, it got reinserted. So I'm not sure how you dispute it, but that usually happens when you just say this account isn't mine. It comes off for a little bit, then it comes back on because you didn't properly dispute it correctly. My credit dropped 824 to 802, bro. Help. Hey, bro. JSO, stop it. What if an account says collection / charge off? Which one is it? Nikita, it's usually a collection. So you can tell if it's a charge off or a collection because a charge off will be with the original lender, original creditor, right? It'll say Capital One, then charge off. A collection will say, Jefferson Capital, then it'll have the original creditor in parentheses or something like that, okay? What's a pay for delete? Jesse, a pay for delete is when you tell you offer to pay for an item to get removed from your credit report. Okay, these are for collection agencies. Okay? How to break past 800 to 810 range. You need a good amount of accounts, right? Let me see. You can hit I want to say 10, but you don't even have to have all that. Like 7+ accounts, good little credit mix. Credit age though is important. So you probably need about at least 5 years of age. Oh shit, let me charge this phone. Hold up. Let me plug this phone up. Hold up. Let me plug this phone up. Oh, 1% too. Woo! Your boy was on the last leg. But yeah. So 800. So you need a good credit profile, man. 693. There he is. There's a hater right here. What's up, hater? Let me screenshot his ass. You will be tagged in the hater video on Friday. Joystick Gaming. These are client results. Instead of asking that, you came in my live and start hating. Man, can't wait to tag you in that video. Let's go. I'm gonna run some ads on it too. $720 with, bro, your username, I'm gonna just block you. You got Diddy as your profile pic? That's insane. All right, here we go. 3 years of credit history, 90K income enough to qualify for Amex Gold or Platinum. Yeah, 3 years of credit age. Yeah, Mason, you should be good. Depends on how many open accounts you have too, though. With no business credit and bad personal credit, should I apply for a business credit card? Kira, no. Didn't you just ask me this? And I told you don't do that. Don't do it to yourself. All right? Bro talking this rah-rah with the mid credit score. Jacob! What's up, hater? Let me screenshot him. I'm going to tag him later, too. Yeah, these are all client results, man. Jacob, you could have learned that by just asking. Okay? Let's go. Let me mute him. I'm going to just mute him. Don't block him. Because when I run these ads on these hater videos, I want them to see it. Yeah, Kiara, you're going to have to get some net 30s while you work on your personal credit. All right, Alex, my Chase card was closed and I didn't pay. Now Chase says my card is charged off and I'm paying them. Alex, yes, bro. When you don't pay your open accounts, they charge the card off. What do you think would happen? Vantage score, what's the FICO score looking like? For this client, I don't even know. They graduated. But this was just a screenshot. That's all it was. Sometimes people screenshot stuff in, they send it in, our clients. And yeah, that's all that is, Josh. I've been submitting through Experian. Has that messed up my chances of removing a valid collection? I mean, Nia, that's okay. You can start over, though. You can start over. Just hit the link in the bio, get that King Credit Bundle, and start over. I'm 22, have a 690 credit score with 3 years of credit age. Is that good? Jojo, that's really good, bro. That's really good. How many open accounts do you have, Jojo? 6K in student debt, but I can't pay it right now. What should I do? You can do a deferment, bro. Jay, deferment. Call up the company and tell them what's going on. You can get an income-driven payment plan, right? There's ways to work. Okay, you gotta close mouths don't get fed, man. 790, that's cool. Car repo, yeah, we can dispute those too. If you want to dispute it yourself, hit the link in the bio. Get that King Credit Bundle. If you want us to do it, DM me the word King. All right, let's go, let's go. He said they be hating on you. Oh, no, bro, they be hating so much they think I'm handsome. That's the only logical answer. Okay, if you block somebody and they make a new page to come look at you, they think you handsome. That's the only logical answer. That's the only logical answer, bro. There's no other logical answer, bro. I was an authorized user on a credit card. Account manager went over limit about 1,500. My credit went down. Yeah, so floating shopping list. So as long as they pay them balances back down, you'll be good the next update. My credit age is already 6 years. Damn, let's go. Osh Cole Tasha. I have a 715. Let's go. Let's go. I see you. Wasn't hating. Please don't tag me. But please do tag me. I appreciate it. You want that free clout, huh? Y'all trying to get your followers up. I see you. I have 9 late payments on Capital One. Other than that, I'm very good. Cancel it. PPA, no, you should have canceled it years ago. You know what I'm saying? Now, you've kind of, you know what I'm saying, you've grown a good age now. So it's just up to you. Yeah, 9 late payments on one account. That is kind of a lot. My credit score was 500 for 10 years. Now I'm debt free with 716 credit score. T Blake, nice. Let's go. Debt free. I got you. The Don, there he is. He said, yo, oh shit. What's net 30? So a net 30 is the payment term. So net 30 is get paid in 30 days. So these are business accounts, right? So that's how you build up your Paydex score. You can build up your Experian business score and all that stuff with these net 30s. But here's the thing, what's crazy though, the bank don't care about your Paydex score. Okay, so the bank cares about your personal credit score, your business age, monthly deposits, business credit cards, but you can also add a business trade line. Okay, they care about that too. So if you guys need business trade lines, what they are, they're term loans, right? So the term loan gets reported to your EIN and then it backdates, right? So I just got one. What month is it? April. So I got one. I got another one in February. Okay, I'll make a video so y'all can see it. You know what I'm saying? So y'all can check that out. But yeah, fix your personal credit, add a trade line or two, and get some of this money. I'm in the guest box. What's good, Maya? What guest box you talking about? 580, but I want to wait. I was an authorized user. I already answered that. 580, but I want to refinance for a car. You think I can do it? Annette, no, you ain't ready yet. Whatever's bringing that anchoring you down, pulling you down to a 580, you need to figure that out. So if you need a free consultation, just DM me the word King, schedule a call. Somebody on my team will go over your credit report with you, answer all your questions, let you know how we can help. And if you don't, the consultations are free. So if you don't sign up, at least you learn a little something. And if you want to dispute it yourself, we'll send you the King Credit Bundle. But if you want to sign up, we'll just send you the onboarding and we get started that same day. Okay, my Vantage score is high, but my FICO is low. Yeah, because they're calculated differently, right? They're two different scores. Okay, how much is a car repo fix? A venture. So if you have a repo on your report, you qualify for the gold, or you can upgrade to the platinum. So the gold, you get unlimited disputes, right? You get certified mail for some of those accounts, for some of those disputes. You get unlimited disputes too. So that's crazy. You get your own client portal. You get the 24/7 customer service, and you get updates from us every 35 days. You get some other stuff in there too. And that plan is $2.99 cookies, and then cookies equals money, right? So I got to switch it up. TikTok be hating on me. So and then it drops down to 149 cookies after that first month. Okay, it's time to talk about the mentoring. Hey, let's go. All right, I'm gonna talk about that in a second. Let's get it. They haven't paid anything in months, so I just removed myself. Yeah. So if they're racking up late payments and shit, tell them to take you off. Have you heard about Stellar FI? I have heard about it, but I don't know enough about it to talk about it. Okay. What's a net 30? We already broke that down for you. I broke that down for you already. He said it's time to talk about Costco hot dogs. Can late payments be removed? Ty White, yeah, you can dispute late payments, bro. Hit the link in the bio, get that King Credit Bundle. I got the late payment sauce in there for you. Should I clean up my bad payment history or just keep paying on time going forward? Kelly, both. Yeah, he paying on time while you dispute the late payments. My score dropped from requesting a credit limit increase. Blue, if you did it in the app, they shouldn't have pulled your credit, right? They shouldn't have did that. Different scoring model, FICO is the score that most lenders see. Facts. How accurate is Credit Karma? Credit Karma, the activity and accounts, those are accurate, but the score is a Vantage score. So it's not wrong or inaccurate. It's just a different credit score. Okay. Are you seeing my question? Cordero, no. Credit Karma is pretty accurate on scores. Just depends. It's a little different for everybody, but the score is a Vantage score. It's not a FICO score. All right, so it's just calculated differently. I have closed accounts, but it's still showing late payments, even though it's been closed for months. Yeah, Showtime, that's what happens. So now you want to go and dispute that closed account if it has late payments on it. All right, let me check Instagram. Here we go. Jazzy, is it better to have your business under S Corp or LLC? So LLC first until you make about 40 or 50K. Then so S Corp is just a tax classification. Okay, it's a tax classification. So you can switch the way you're taxed to an S corp after you start making some money. Okay, that's a good question though. Good shit. Good shit. Let's go. What's a good trade line to add for credit? I currently have no credit and trying to build it. Sharita, hit the link in the bio, scroll down, and says starter accounts. It's just a Google Doc. I got the play-by-play in there for you. But your first 2 accounts, you want to get Kovo and Extra Card. Okay, those 2 are first because one's an installment loan, one's a revolving account. So that's going to help your credit mix, and you don't get any hard increase with those 2 accounts. So you're going to get 2 primary accounts with no increase, right? Go run it up. How to fix your credit. Angel. There's a lot of steps, okay? A lot of steps. If you want to do it right? If you want to follow one of these scammers, okay, one of these gurus that ain't registered or bonded, no clients, you can go online and say, this account isn't mine, like they teaching. All right, but if you want to do it right, you got to order your report. You got to find inaccuracies. We got to update that personal info, okay? We opt out of secondary bureaus, and we also dispute inquiries not attached to open accounts. Sounds like a lot, but it's not. That takes like an hour or 2. And then you can start disputing. So Angel, if you want the full breakdown with all the letters and everything, hit the link in the bio and get that King Credit Bundle. All right, King Credit Bundle. What credit is this? This is a screenshot to one of our graduates. All right, screenshot from one of our graduates. He started in the 500s. All right, let's go. She said, I love ice cream. Oh, shit, I'm weak. Instead of using my $4,500 limit and having to max it out, pay it off over and over. Instead of using my $4,500 limit and having to max it out. That wasn't even a question. So I have paid off my credit cards, but not my loans. Should I use my credit cards to pay off my loans? Pete, no. You just make your monthly payments on your loans. So you got 2 different accounts, right? I just went over that. So you got installment loans. Installment loan is any type of loan, right? Personal loan, secured loan, pledge loan, auto loan, mortgage loan. Okay, those are made to be paid off over time. Now your credit cards, that affects your utilization. So that's what's making that score fluctuate. Okay, so good job on paying them credit cards down. All right, so let's keep doing what you're doing, man. Only thing affecting my credit is the amount of views. I make payments on time. How do I increase it? Blue, you want to pay those accounts down before the statement date, or a couple days before the statement date. Okay, so you might be making minimum payments, but that's not helping you at all. All right, thanks again. Got you. Apps don't pull credit. No, so like when you go on the app and you do a credit limit increase, that's not a hard increase. I tried disputing, didn't work. Showtime. You didn't use my stuff. You didn't use my process. So hit the link in the bio, get that King Credit Bundle, and get to work. What do I do if I don't use my credit cards anymore? Let me see. What did he say? What do I do if I don't use my credit cards anymore? Why don't you use your credit cards anymore? When should I branch out? I got my first credit card 6 months ago with U.S. banks. Ali, hit the link in the bio, scroll down. It says starter accounts. All right, go ahead. Many lenders are moving to Vantage Score based on the cost of FICO and FICO reporting. Yeah, Josh, that's actually, so they're going to start using that Vantage 4, right? That Vantage 4.0. It's expensive. Like I just learned this. So I talked about this what's today? Wednesday. I talked about this on Monday. So I'm creating our own credit monitoring software called Credit Lens. I'll post it and let y'all go read it up. But I had a meeting with Experian, okay? Because I was like, I want to report FICO scores. They damn near laughed in my face. I said, what's going on? They's like, look, no, that's not what this call is for, or that's not how it works. I was like, how it work? They said you need at least 100,000 users, okay, before you even get in the door, right? And it's like $18 or something per per score, right? So 18 times 3 was at 54. So at $54 to pull that report, it's crazy. So then that price point comes down the more users you have. Okay, so I'm giving y'all the insider knowledge, man. So yeah, that's why most companies, most credit reporting softwares, they use Vantage scores because it's expensive as hell. Okay, it's expensive as hell to pull those FICO scores. How do you deal with leads that are in states that you're not bonded in? Woo, that's a great question, Anthony. Go get bonded in that state. What's the holdup? Let's go. After you fix things, you do go opt. After you fix things, opt back in. No, I don't ever opt back into the secondary bureaus. After like 5 years, it automatically does it on its own, but you don't have to go back and opt back in. About to purchase your King Credit Bundle. Let's work. When you pull from bank apps, there is no hard increase. No. Like when you log into your Capital One, Discover, or whatever, ask for a credit limit increase, you don't get a hard increase for that. You keep the credit card, so you will keep the long credit age. Facts. My score is 763. Any advice on how to increase it more? Jonathan, how many open accounts do you have, bro? Too many. I just paid off 10K debt. Damn. Well, at least you paid it off. Any advice for a college student who has no idea where to start building credit? Yeah, A1_Showtime. Hit the link in the bio, scroll down, and says starter accounts. I break everything down for you. It's just a Google Doc. Go run it up. You need 21 plus accounts to be good. Not in the beginning. That's later on, bro. You don't start off applying for 21 accounts, right? You have to get that over time. What about late payments on parent federal loans? How can you fix that? Betsy Vera, hit the link in the bio, get that King Credit Bundle. It got the late payment sauce in there. But for student loan stuff, you guys, y'all need to be calling 2-3 times a day trying to get a goodwill adjustment. Okay, that's just been working for the student loans. Now, auto loans and mortgages, that's a little bit different. Credit cards, a little bit different. But the student loans, okay, they've been helping people out. He said, how you doing, my boy? What's good, man? What's good? You want to learn about credit after you insulted a 2K player for playing the game? I'm weak. How long does it take to go from a 670 to 750? Ash, depends on what's on your report, bro. If you have any negative accounts on your report, if you don't have any negatives, your score will get there eventually just by paying your accounts on time. Adding, you want a good little credit mix. You might have to add an authorized user or two for the age, but you'll get there over time. Is it good to have 7 credit cards, 750, score at 20? Yeah, you solid, Tommy. 20 years old, 750, 7 cards. That's pretty good, bro. History, credit, age is more important. So 15 to 30-year loans is good for age history. Hell yeah, that's really good. My FICO charges $42 a month for all industry scores. That's insane. And you know how many users my FICO has? Like, that's crazy. Do you think life in Saudi or Dubai is easier than the US? 1,000%. 1,000%, man. America is a hellhole, bro. I'm packing up. Okay, I'm packing up, man. So a couple years, man, we will not be living here. Yeah, US is fucking hellhole, bro. They treat us like dirt. How long does it take your bankruptcy? I am, bro. Yep. Puerto Rico. We want to do something in Ghana. You know what I'm saying? So we got some plans, man. Your bankruptcy to reflect on your credit report. Your bankruptcy? I've seen some reports super quick, right? So I'll say 60 to 90 days. I paid off loans and still have accounts open. Okay. Is it good to, how was your day? Beauty Babe, appreciate that. All good. My day is always good. No negatives. Okay, Ash. Yeah, so it's just about paying your balances down, maybe adding a couple of primary accounts, maybe adding a couple authorized users. Okay, you good. I have 8 accounts, 5 credit cards, which I use 3 of them: student loan and auto loan. Yeah, Jonathan, you lit, bro. Yeah, you good. 763, 8 accounts, all in good standing. You good. You can go get approved for pretty much whatever you want. No collections whatsoever. Nice. Your actual credit is worse than this on paper. T-bag. Okay. You're preaching to the choir, bro. These are all just client results. That's it. Do you think Dispute Panda is a good software to use for credit repair? Yeah, Dispute Panda. Dispute Panda is pretty good. Recommendation: 580 score with 1 credit card and an auto loan. MG Rock. So credit card. So you got a 580. So your credit card is probably, your utilization is too high. Once you pay that down to like 5%, your score should jump up a little bit. And MG Rock, you can go add some other accounts right now too. So hit the link in the bio, scroll down, it says starter accounts. Go grab that Kovo, go grab that Rent Reporters. So you'll have 4 primary accounts now. Wait for those to report, and you should probably be high 6s by then. Okay, just from that, because that Rent Reporters is going to backdate 2 years, so it's going to give you some instant age. All right. Quasar Khan, instead of giving my kids money, I had the good credit and taught them how to invest. Let's go. I love it. Let's go. Y'all, I'm going to hit you up Friday. Tell me if you agree about Mitchell. Bro, why do you keep bringing that up? Minor, major. Why do you keep bringing that up? And I told you to DM me your name, bro. Went from 560 to 800 in 8 years. Let's go. Takes a while, but hey, I love it. Why does your credit go up and down? My credit score is very good. Denise, it goes up and down because you're constantly adding new accounts, lowering your credit age, paying on time. Your utilization fluctuates. That's going to affect your score. There's all kind of shit, man. All kind of stuff that affects your score. I need my credit score like this. How do I make that happen? Jay, DM me the word king, schedule a free consultation. We'll check out your credit report, answer all your questions, let you know how everything works. And if you want to get started, we'll send the onboarding and get started that same day. Oh shit, I'm having major hunger pains for hot dogs and ice cream. I'm weak. CC, I paid 2,500 card down and my score did not go up. CC, you probably paid it after the statement date. So wait for the next update. My bankruptcy stayed on my account for 10 years. I had Chapter 7. Yeah, once it's dismissed or discharged, you can dispute that bankruptcy. But most people don't even know that. All right, so you just waited. It's okay now that it's gone, but you could have disputed it. Should I pay a collection? Chris Griffey, you want to dispute that collection first. If they validate that debt properly, then you can go ahead and do a pay for delete. If you use an automated program like Dispute Panda, why can't everyone? Because softwares just magnify how much work you can do. Okay, so if you don't know how to fix credit, eventually that software can only get you so far. Okay, you know what I'm saying? So if you don't know what you're doing, when an account comes back verified, you're gonna be like, oh shit, I don't know what to do. You know what I mean? So softwares are just that, softwares. They can amplify on how much work you can do. All right, and it's still work. People don't want to do no work. Clients like signing up for done for you services because they don't want to do shit. Okay, which is cool, right? I don't do my own laundry. Okay, I take my shit to the cleaners. All right, I don't clean my own house. I got somebody that comes once a month. Okay, so yeah, same shit. You can fix your own car too, but you don't take it to the mechanic, right? So same concept. What about medical bills? Yep, you can dispute all that too. Bearded, you can dispute that too. Can you explain a little bit more what those accounts you're talking about? What is that exactly? When you hit the link in the bio, it explains all that stuff. So hit the link in the bio, scroll down, it says starter accounts. It explains everything in there. I got everything deleted from TransUnion Experian, but Equifax so stubborn. Yeah, Equifax be tripping sometime. It's just different for everybody. Some people say Experian be tripping. Okay, so let me screenshot that. Let's go. Why DM you my name? It ain't about my own, bro. I'm gonna just start ignoring that. What are some examples of public records? Public records, child support, bankruptcy. Sometimes evictions pop up on there. So anything that's can get reported to the court. Okay. No, one credit card. So you can add some more. You got one card, hit the link in the bio, scroll down and say starter accounts. I got some more in there for you. Go run it up. Her Credit Karma not accurate. Yeah, OG Willie Jackson. OG Willie Jackson. Yeah, so you heard wrong, man. So they didn't tell you the full story. So it's not wrong or inaccurate. It's a different credit score, right? It says Vantage score. It's not a FICO score. All right. So if you're using Credit Karma, the accounts and activity, that is accurate, right? But the score is going to be different. It's a different score. Laddie81, what's up? How many credit cards ideal? In the beginning, 2 or 3 credit cards, 2 installment loans in the beginning, get you 5 primaries and you lit. You can build up from there. Eventually you want to get more. Is D-Vouch any good for the ads? Honestly, that's crazy that you even said that. I used them back in, what was that? Late 2020. I used them late 2020. They set up some good stuff. Honestly, they set up some good stuff, but Naquan, you're gonna need a virtual assistant or 2 though. Okay, because the ads do work. They do work. You get a lot of leads, but the leads on Facebook, as soon as they hit that lead form, they need to get a call, right? So each platform, the leads are a little bit different, right? But Facebook, because they're going to set up ManyChat for you. So a lot of it's going to be automated, right? But then at the end, when they get to the end of the message, they're going to need a call within like 5 minutes. Okay, if not, they get impatient. Okay, so, yeah. So, but yeah, they're pretty cool though. They're all right. Honestly, I got they whole. No, I'm not going to say that. I'm not going. I'm not going to steal their whole flow. But I still got all their stuff though. Let's go. Any advice if I can't pay off my credit card? Call the credit card company, tell them you're in a hardship, and they can close the account, and then you can just make monthly payments until you pay it off. That's much better than not communicating and just letting it charge off and doing all that shit. It just gets worse if you do that. My Credit Karma says 753. Is that good? Yeah, the score, it's a Vantage score, so it's a different credit score. So depends on how many open accounts you have, right? There's a bunch of categories and stuff. Water sign, energy. How long did it take you to learn all you know? Shit. A long time. Couple years. Yeah, a couple years. But you can, if you buckle down for a good 6 months, you can get really good. But the thing is, you got to read. Okay, read, and you need experience. Okay, so when I first started my credit repair company, I did about 50 people for free. Okay, just to test shit out, right? Yeah, so it's for sure a learning curve. If you want to do it right, you do it the right way. If you want to learn, I got a mentorship too. That's next month, or it's in June. I'll post it up here in a second. Let me get down to the rest of these. Daniel, I need a 20K personal loan. How much credit score do I need? Bro, Daniel, if you're, yeah, pull your report, bro. Pull your report and DM me what it says on there. Because if you're asking that, you probably won't get approved, my brother. How many things can you dispute? Shit, anything negative on your report. We send off 100 negative. We send off 100. We've disputed 100 negative items before. We actually do that a lot. So if it's negative or inaccurate, We can dispute it. Or no, inaccurate, not just negative. If it's inaccurate. Major, minor, muted. I try to tell him to chill. Judgments. Oh, and judgments, that's facts. Why would an account say collection charge off? Which one is it? So I can dispute it correctly. Nikita, I answered that earlier. It doesn't matter, just manage it. FICO 8 score is moving out, but not the FICO 452. Maybe it hasn't updated. Yeah, so here's the thing. They've been saying that they're moving off the FICO 8 for years, right? That's why they created that 10 and that 10T. But here's the thing. If I'm a lender, okay, if I'm a lender, because that FICO 10 or that 10T, you can see more. You can see more of that report. So, like, if you had a collection last month and you got it removed, and you go to the lender, they can still see that you had that collection. Why would I want to use a system that's going to deny a lot of my potential clients, right? So so lenders can choose which FICO score they want to use. You know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna use the one that's gonna get me the most clients. Why would I switch to something if I'm getting 100? Let's say I'm getting 100 clients a day, right? Using FICO 8. If I switch to FICO 10, I can only approve 50 now instead of 100. Okay, you might go out of business, right? You can't lose that kind of income. You know what I'm saying? So it'll be real interesting to see what happened. Diedrich, I'm 18, only have a credit one card, and my credit is 648. I pay it back as soon as it lets me. Yeah, Diedrich, hit the link in the bio. Get that. Scroll down. It says starter accounts. You need to add some more accounts, bro. Not crazy, but it walks you through it. It's all free. That's why I haven't done ads yet, because I don't have help. Yeah, you got to be careful. Okay, because one ad could pop, right? Okay, like what if we start running ads? You know what I'm saying? Kanye see it or something, right? And he reposts the shit. Now you got 10,000 people hitting you up. You're going to go out of business. So you got to be prepared, right? You got to be prepared. Yo, bro, I want an Amex. Let's go. 793 at 19. Tap in. All right. Only use 10% of all credit cards if you have a lot, obviously being able to pay it off monthly. Facts. I'd rather keep the money in-house with you. I need the sauce. Let's go. We got you. Think it would be easy to remove a $400 charge-off from Mason from 2020. I mean, it's not easy or difficult, right? It just, you have to, there's some stuff that you have to do before you dispute. And yeah, as long as you got the process down, you got the, you find an inaccuracy, you dispute it properly, you got a good chance. So Jalen, wait, that's not right. Jalen. Jail How do you say that? Hit the link in the bio, get that King Credit bundle, bro. If you want to dispute it yourself. Let's go. All right, mentorship. Okay. Hold on. Best way to monitor and pay off your debt. Hit the link in the bio, scroll down, get that. It says click the link for get your FICO scores from $1. FICO T looks at the last 24 months. I didn't hear your answer. I got off the live for a second. Okay, so if an account says charge-off slash collection, it's probably a charge-off. So you can tell if it's a charge-off or not. Oh, I didn't even see this. Proper response is those are Credit Karma scores, valid scores, but not used by most lenders. Facts. That's a proper answer. So you can tell if it's a charge-off or a collection because of if charge-offs are with the original creditor, right? So a charge-off would say Capital One charge-off slash collection. If it's an actual collection, it'll say portfolio, and then it'll say Capital One in parentheses, and then the account will say collection. Okay. 6 minutes left. Let's go. Do you think goodwill letters work? To a certain extent, Rachel, but we got more ammo for them. Goodwill letters, that's just the tip of the iceberg. Okay, so if you want to dispute those late payments, hit the link in the bio, get that King Credit bundle, and get to work. Let's go. Spending $15K next week on sneakers, but only have $14K limit. Should I get a loan to build credit. Bro, I'm not even answering that. Don't do that to yourself. Always check your reports. I'm at 816. Also mention credit piggybacking for children. Facts. Hey, yeah, what kind of shoes you buying? What speed paying my bike, make my credit go? I'm sure I'll stick to the payments. Yeah, stick to the payments because paying off an installment loan, it's going to close the account. Your age is going to drop a little bit. 18-year-old business owner. Woo, my credit's been froze all but before 18 best credit card. 18-year-old. Oh, okay. 18-year-old business owner. Okay, my credit's been froze. Yeah, bro. So you need to you need to build your personal credit. So hit the link in the bio, scroll down, it says starter accounts. Okay. If TikTok goes away, do you have Insta or YouTube? Yeah. Yep. Go follow me on Instagram and YouTube. I'm live on YouTube right now. All right. Mentorship. Let me go. Let me see before I get off of here. Let's go. So if you want to learn, we back by popular demand, baby. I only do 2 mentorships a year. So if you want to learn how to start your own credit repair company, all right, join that mentorship, man. We got 3 different prices. We even got a payment plan this time. I'm not sure about it. Yeah, we got a payment plan this time. So if y'all want to check that out, man, that's the information right there. But I teach you, it's a 5-day mentorship. It's 5 days. It's June 3rd through the 7th. And we go over personal credit, business credit, starting your company, starting a compliant company, right? We go over state contracts. We go over FCRA, FDCPA. We go over CROA. We just go over everything, man. All the ins and outs, marketing, AI, what softwares to use, sales, SOPs, standard operating procedures, all that shit, man. It's crazy. If you ever wanted to start a credit repair company, you better jump in right now. And it's the early bird is still going on too. Let me check Instagram before I get off of here. All right, let's go. Yes, sir. Wait, let me check. Do I got any business of the days? Let me see. Peen, if you can answer my question, I appreciate it. I spend 10K monthly on shoes. I'm a reseller. Bro, that's not what you said earlier, though. You said I'm about to spend 10K on shoes. If you're a reseller, that's different. That's a little side hustle. It can be a full hustle, actually, full-time hustle. I'm a reseller. Look at that handsome devil. If you could answer my question, I appreciate that. Yeah, so Peen, what was your Peen? Shoot me a DM, bro. Shoot me a DM. You know how to become a board certified credit repair specialist? Yeah, you type that into Google. You guys, the boards, that shit's easy. That shit's hella easy. It was a waste of money. That shit was a waste of money, honestly. It was a waste of money, man. Oh shit. All right, let me see business of the day. Let me see if anybody submitted anything. Well, we got one. We got RNA Services, my homie Richard. RNA Services. RNA Services. Capital R, capital N, capital A, Services. Website, rnaservices.org. TikTok, RNA_services. Financial services, business focus on helping first-time home buyers fix their credit to buy their first home. All right, let's go. So RNA Services. RNA Services. Shout out to RNA Services, man. Let's go. That's actually the homie, too. All right, man. Let's go. Last thing. If you need a free consultation, DM me the word King. Let's get it going. Let me show y'all the schedule for tomorrow. Woo! I told you. We taking over. Stop playing with us. You see Thursday. You see that? Book to the brim. Friday's already full. Saturday's about to be full. Let me check next week. Yeah, people starting to book for next week already. All right, so if you need a free consultation, you guys, don't hesitate. Let's work. Okay, let's work. But yeah, the schedule's packed tomorrow. So if you want to call this week, you got to schedule it for Friday or Saturday. Let's go. So if it's hard to understand, bro, it's a limit. Yeah, Peen. Why does this dude? Why you keep saying that, bro? Hey, why you keep saying this? Why you keep saying that? I'm on tomorrow at 12. Hater alert. I'm going to tag him. I'm going to tag him in a hater video. I'm going to tag him in that hater video for sure. I ain't hating. Bro, what are you talking about? People are weird, man. All right, y'all. I'll holla at y'all tomorrow, 10 a.m. Pacific time. 10 a.m. Pacific time. I'll holla at y'all. Peace. All right, y'all.